How do I transfer my phone number to a new phone?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple yet important process of transferring your existing phone number to a new phone. This can be quite useful when you're upgrading your device but wish to keep your current number.
What do you need before you begin?
Before you start the process, make sure you have these items on hand: your old phone with the current SIM card installed, your new phone, any necessary account information, such as your carrier account details. Also, it's important to know that your service must remain active on your current phone until the transfer process is complete.
How to transfer your phone number if you're keeping the same carrier.
If you're staying with your current carrier, follow these steps. 1. Remove the SIM card from your old phone. This is typically located on the side of the phone or under the battery. You may need a small tool, like a paperclip, to pop out the SIM card tray. 2. Insert the SIM card into your new phone. The location will vary depending on your phone model, but it's usually on the side or top of the phone. You'll again need a small tool to open the SIM tray. 3. Turn on your new phone and follow any setup prompts. Your phone number, along with any contacts stored on your SIM, should now be available on your new device.
How to transfer your phone number if you're changing carriers.
If you're switching carriers, the process is slightly different. 1. Contact your new carrier and let them know you want to port your existing number. You'll need to provide them with your account information from your old carrier. 2. They will begin the porting process, during which you should keep both your old and new phones turned on. 3. Once the transfer is complete, your old carrier will automatically deactivate your old SIM. That's it. Now you know how to transfer your phone number to a new phone, whether you're sticking with your current carrier or making a switch. This process can help you keep your existing number, making the transition to a new device seamless for you and your contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next one.